Hi everyone, we are going to introduce a new process in Geo Genius, okay, which is named as repair broken sites. Okay, so this process will be repair all the broken sites that has been discontinued or not completed in Geo Genius. Okay, so the broken sites will be automatically saved. If you create a new site and the site is not completed, then its URL will be saved here in a broken sites folder, okay, along with the campaign name and the site URL. Okay, so in the software, the process for a repair broken site, you have to select this and drop down. Okay, so you can scrape the new data and you can use already scraped data for that site, and after that you just have to select the files. Okay, so you can select multiple sites, you can select all the broken sites. Okay, it will be complete all the sites one by one. Okay, so it will take data from the campaign that has been saved in that file. Okay, so this is a new process for broken sites.